I used to hide in corners, scared to breathe, letting the shadows tell me who to be. But your voice cut through louder than the lies. Now I'm standing taller with you by my side. You're the hope when I'm hollow, the beat in my chest. You're the shelter when the storm won't rest. I was thinking you're the shore. Your love's the battle I'm fighting for. Your love's my sunrise, breaking through the night. A lifeline pulling me from the fight. When the world feels heavy, you make it light. Your love's my sunrise. Your love's my sunrise. Your love's my sunrise. We've walked through fire, tired and drained, but your hands held mine through the pain. You taught me hope's a song we can sing. Now every shadow bends to what we bring. You're the hope when I'm hollow, the beat in my chest. You're the shelter when the storm won't rest. I was thinking you're the shore. Your love's the battle I'm fighting for. Your love's my sunrise, breaking through the night. A lifeline pulling me from the fight. When the world feels heavy, you make it light. Your love's my sunrise. Your love's my sunrise. Your love's my sunrise. I'll scream it louder, let the whole world know. Your love's the compass when I'm lost and alone.